Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. So a little bit something different for this channel. I'm going to do a little camera review, or a short video. So a few weeks ago, Insta360 came out with the AcePro2, which is, so far I've been seeing, is the king of low light. Normally I shoot with the Insta Pocket3, so I'm gonna do a comparison test to see which one is better in low light. So right now, what you're seeing, I am recording in normal video mode. Setting is set to standard. I am shooting at 4K 60. So this is complete darkness. This is a little light. You can kind of see which one gives you the best lighting. So now I'm going to switch them to their night mode. So the Insta360 has pure shot and the DJI has night mode. So now I'm about to switch to that. Okay, so now I have both cameras in their night mode. The DJI is in its night mode in 4K 24. The Insta360 is in night mode in pure shot 4K 24. So now I'm just about to pan around so you can see which one do you think is better in their night mode. Like I said earlier, this is pure darkness. And this is with some light. So I do have the Insta360 AcePro in D-Warp mode, and for the DJI I have it in just regular mode. I do not have the wide angle lens on, it's zoomed out. So when I upload this video, it will be straight from camera, no editing. It's gonna be raw, straight from the camera. So in the comments, let me know, what do you think is better in low light? So for more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.